Welcome back to Inspired Life, where we empower you to live your best life every day. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting aspects of personal development, problem solving with creativity. If you've ever felt stuck or faced challenges that seemed insurmountable, this episode is for you, so let's get started. Problem solving is a fundamental skill in our daily lives. Whether it's figuring out how to fix a leaky faucet or deciding on the next big step in your career, the ability to solve problems efficiently can make a significant difference. But what if I told you that creativity could make this process not only more effective but also more enjoyable? Embrace a curious mindset. Start by asking questions. A lot of questions. Curiosity is the birthplace of creativity. When faced with a problem, instead of focusing solely on the issue, ask yourself why the problem exists, how it came to be, and what would happen if you approached it differently. For example, if you're struggling with time management, don't just ask, how can I manage my time better? Instead ask, why do I feel overwhelmed? Or what tasks can I delegate? These questions open up new avenues for creative solutions. Break out of conventional thinking. Sometimes the best solutions come from thinking outside the box. Don't be afraid to challenge the status quo. Consider how others in different fields solve similar problems and adapt those methods to your situation. For instance, if you're a teacher struggling to engage students, look at how marketers capture attention and see if you can apply those strategies in your classroom. Mind mapping is a fantastic tool for visual thinkers. Start with a central problem and branch out with all possible solutions, no matter how outlandish they seem. This process not only organizes your thoughts, but also sparks new ideas. You'll be amazed at how one idea can lead to another, forming a web of potential solutions you might not have considered otherwise. Collaborate and brainstorm. Two heads are better than one. Collaboration brings together different perspectives, which can lead to innovative solutions. Host a brainstorming session where all ideas are welcome, and build upon each other's thoughts. Remember, the goal is quantity over quality at first. Once you have a plethora of ideas, you can refine them to find the most feasible solutions. Prototype and experiment. Don't be afraid to try out your ideas on a small scale before fully committing. Prototyping allows you to test and refine solutions without significant risk. For example, if you're thinking about starting a new business, create a small pilot project to gauge interest and gather feedback. Reflect and learn. After implementing a solution, take time to reflect on what worked and what didn't. This reflection helps you learn and improve your problem-solving skills for future challenges. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this experience? And how can I apply this knowledge moving forward? Creativity is a powerful ally in problem solving. By embracing curiosity, thinking outside the box, mind mapping, collaborating, prototyping, and reflecting, you can tackle challenges more effectively and enjoy the process. Thank you for joining us today on Inspired Life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And remember, every problem is an opportunity to get creative. Until next time, stay inspired.